channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a Jira dashboard on your Confluence. So guys, if you want to create the Jira dashboard, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, you no need to do anything, no need to install any extension, no need to go to any website. Here you see that I am on my Confluence. Here you check. Now at the left side there is sidebar. In the sidebar guys, here you see the option of Jira and Loom. So you want to use Jira, so simply click here and now you simply switch to your Jira. Okay, and now here you can check all your Jira applications and your project details. Okay, so this is the way that you can move and use the Jira in your appliances. Okay, they both are connected with the same accounts. Here you check that it's logged in with my same ID and also here. Okay, so this is the way that you can do, and they both are the Atlantis application, so they are integrated to each other. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.